Dizzy, Ted! Almost strikes to grow essential, but then you shut down!
The Tinel sign is a clinical test used to detect peripheral nerve irritation, compression, or regeneration by simply percussing or tapping over the course of the median nerve at the center of the wrist, just above it slightly. What it tests. The Tinel sign evaluates for nerve entrapment or nerve injury. It was first described by Tinel and Hoffman in 1915 to track the progress of regenerating axons after nerve injury. The site where paresthesias are elicited corresponds to the most distal sprouts of regenerating nerve fibers. Today it is most commonly used in the diagnosis of carpal tunnel syndrome, CTS, or median nerve at the wrist, cubital tunnel syndrome, or ulnar nerve at the elbow, tarsal tunnel syndrome, or tibial nerve at the ankle. How it is performed. The examiner lightly and repeatedly taps called percussion, the volar surface of the wrist for carpal tunnel syndrome, tapping over the median nerve at the suspected site of compression using the index and middle fingers or a reflex hammer. Positive versus negative sign. Positive. The patient reports tingling, paresthesias, or an electric-like sensation radiating distally into the nerve's distribution in the hand, which is into the thumb, index, middle, and lateral side of ring finger. The key feature is that symptoms must radiate. Local tenderness alone does not constitute a positive Tinel sign. Numbness and tingling in the fingers or through the distribution of the median nerve does. Negative. No paresthesias or tingling are elicited by percussion. What to ask the patient? Ask, do you feel a tingling or electric-like sensation shooting into your fingers when I tap here? The patient should answer yes or no.
It's tingling.
If uncertain after one attempt, tapping may be repeated once. Diagnostic accuracy. The Tinel sign is widely used due to its ease of performance, but its diagnostic accuracy is variable. For carpal tunnel syndrome, pooled sensitivity approximately 45 to 50%, and specificity approximately 77 to 78%, meaning it has low sensitivity but moderate to high specificity, better at ruling in than ruling out carpal tunnel syndrome. Clinical significance of a positive test. Current recommendations advise combining the Tinel sign with other provocative maneuvers, Phelan test, Durkheim compression test, hand elevation test, and clinical questionnaires rather than relying on any single test. Thanks for watching. I am a registered nurse, MSN and NP/DNP student, and Daisy Award winner hoping to brighten your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. If you want to see something here, leave a comment below or contact me at buyerinstitute@yahoo.com.